Hey everyone, I'm Mark with Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. Behind me is a 2022 Lexus ES 350 that just pulled in a little dirty from winter roads. Before we touch the thing, I want to walk you through the premium wash package we're about to perform.
We're starting with a thick foam pre-soak. This blanket of suds loosens grime safely, allowing dirt to slide off instead of grinding into the paint. I always hit the wheels first, dedicated brush, separate bucket, so brake dust never...
With the paint completely foamed, I like to work panel by panel, using a soft mitt in gentle circles so the soap can lift the grime without marring the finish. A thorough rinse clears away the suds and gives us a clean surface to inspect.
When rinsing, always work top down and keep the nozzle a safe distance, letting the water sheet off the paint instead of forcing it in. On wheels and tires, agitate the faces, barrels, and sidewalls with dedicated brushes so no...
Alright, the exterior is officially finished. We've polished every panel, dressed the tires, cleaned the rims, and brought out that metallic depth this ES 350 deserves. Take a look at that reflection. It's like a mirror. With the outside complete, we're ready. This is the premium package interior on the 2022 Lexus ES 350, and here's how we keep it looking and feeling new. We start by vacuuming every surface, including under the seats.
We start with a thorough vacuum, pulling debris from every seam of the seat. Next, I treat the door panels with a gentle all-purpose cleaner, leaving them satin smooth. Leather conditioner nourishes and protects the seats, restoring a rich, even...
First thing I tackle is the carpet. A crevice nozzle on the vacuum lets me reach deep into the corners and pull every grain of sand out of the ES's trunk. Once the debris is gone, I wipe down the door jambs so the paint and the chrome strip look as clean as the carpet.
Here it is, our finished 2022 Lexus ES 350 dressed in the premium wash package. You can see that deep graphite paint laid out perfectly, no streaks, no water spots. We foamed, hand washed,